Fraser is a leader in static control technology. Roto-Clean from Fraser revolutionises the cleaning of mouldings and components where careful control of contaminants and prevention of reattraction is important. Roto-Clean consists of twin rotating air nozzles integrated within a unique ring ionizer. Patented centrifugal control rotates the nozzles at high speed to give 360 degrees of high thrust and pulsating cleaning and static neutralisation.
Roto-Clean is the most advanced cleaning tool in our range and offers the best cleaning performance with the lowest air consumption. It's significantly more efficient than Fraser or other brand air knives or nozzles. The technology is a huge advance and will make a competitive difference for manufacturing companies where control of contaminants is essential.
A clean and static-free product is needed in many processes, such as mouldings and machined plastics, and products including trays, panels and doors, medical parts or components for clean rooms, electronics and assemblies such as kitted and bare PCBs or photovoltaic parts, other products that have follow-on processes such as painting or decal application. Roto-Clean is the answer. It removes the static charge, cleans even in crevices and complex shapes, and prevents reattraction of dust, so you get higher quality output with less rework. Its air-powered nozzles rotate at up to 60 revolutions per second. The result is a pulsed flow of ionized air that hits the product at up to 240 times per second, blasting away contamination from various angles to clean complex shapes and crevices, while ionization prevents the item reattracting contamination. Roto-Clean is simple to install and commission and can be engineered into new machines or retrofitted quickly and easily. It is effective as a singular head on a conveyor or cleaning station, or can be attached to a robot arm to clean those hard-to-access areas. For additional scope, you can create a fixed array of Roto-Clean devices. A single Fraser HP power unit will power up to 4 devices, making Roto-Clean easily and economically scalable for any product or process. You just require a compressed air supply and 115 volts or 230 volts power supply. For better performance, with lower running costs and fewer rejects and reworking, choose Roto-Clean, a revolution in anti-static cleaning from Fraser.